Hey everybody, welcome. I know this is unplanned, but I wanted to hop on here really quickly. I just got this at Fry's. Try and get some of the glare off of it there. I'm really excited about it. It's a Seagate Backup Plus hub, and you know, I'm just getting used to this streaming thing. And I thought, you know, I already took the plastic wrap off this part here, and I thought, you know what, I should stream this. I was talking about it in my stream this morning, and I should, you know what, I should just do a really quick unbox here with this thing. Sorry, I'm getting glare out of the window on it. But anyway, so this is what the box looks like, and it's not the one on Amazon we were talking about this morning was a 6 terabyte. So this is a 5 terabyte. It's hard to get used to moving with this mirrored mode. Doesn't look like it. Looks like the camera might be having a hard time focusing on that. So this is the top of the box. Okay, so what it says is it's got a 2-year limited warranty, and hang on. 2-year limited warranty. Details available at seagate.com/retail warranty. Fully recyclable package. Okay, this is the side of the box. I don't know if you guys could see that. For some reason, the camera is the, oh, you know why? Because I don't have autofocus on, that's why. There we go. Sorry, this is the first time I've done like this kind of a video on the Twitch here. So compatible with Windows 7 or higher, Mac OS. Although I think I was reading on Amazon today that Mac OS has a different version of the drive, but this one right there, it's got the sorry, wrong way. It's got the little Mac logo there, so it must be compatible. iOS 8, Android 2.0 or higher, requires an internet connection, no big deal. And then this is the really cool thing here. It's USB 3.0, so the speeds are super fast on it. So if you connect this drive on a USB 2.0, it says sometimes it will disconnect or it won't recognize it, but that on a 3.0 there should be no problem. So I'm kind of excited about that. And then here's the back of the box. So it comes with, where is it? Over here. Okay, man, it's hard to do things in reverse. It comes with two USB 3.0 ports on the front of the external drive device. And even though they don't have the blue inserts, the fella on CNET said that he tested them out and that they were USB 3.0, so that's pretty cool. And what I'm super excited about that for is I might actually be able to connect my mobile device that I've been using. I've been connecting to my PC for streaming Tap Titans and other mobile games through that hub, and it might make the connection a little bit more reliable, and I won't have to worry about having the network on or anything like that. So then the other kind of neat thing here is it says down here, there we go, that, come on camera, that you can use it between Windows and Mac. And what else does it say here? Access and share your favorite files in the cloud. Yay. Because I think there's some software that comes with it that also allows you to do backups and hub management and all that kind of stuff with this. Okay, so this is the other side of the box. You'll have to forgive me. This is the first unboxing video I've done, so hopefully it's not super boring, but I'm sure it is. Connect with, what does it say there? Okay, I'm just going to read it because it's not focusing. Connect with Connexion AVC. Oh, you know what? That's Connect with computers is what it is, because that's a different language. Connexion avec ordinateurs is kind of what it was going for there. All right, and then of course we have the bottom of the box. We might as well finish it up. This has got all your regular certifications, the barcode. You can see the model number there, so if you want to search it up for yourself, it's the STEL5, a bunch of zeros, and then 600 on the bottom there. So that's the model number from Seagate. It's, once again, it's STEL5000600. I bought this at Fry's today. Oh, hey, Idioxis. Hey, man. How are you? So this is not my normal stream content that I do. This is just like a quick unbox because ever since I started streaming, I have been torturing my computer with the amount of my hard drives have just been suffering, not to mention my CPU. So this stream is kind of cool because I'm only at like 38% CPU usage right now. And so I want to give a shout out to If I'm saying the name wrong, I apologize. I think it's Idioxis. And I want to give a huge shout out to them because they made a comment on one of my videos that I posted a couple weeks ago. And as I said in my other streams, it went YouTube trash viral is how I like to say it. And I'm referring to myself when I say YouTube trash because none of my videos really have more than 9 to 10 views. But he or she, I don't know if Idioxis is a guy or gal, but they made a comment on the video that I posted about how much I love my clan in Tap Titans, and all of a sudden, man, just like that, 500 views. It was great. So anyway, Idioxis posts a ton of really awesome Tap Titans videos. They're fun to watch. Oh no, come on. So I did the video, but without you making the comment on it, I don't think that it would have gotten 500 views. There's no way. So okay, so anyway, I know the camera angle is not great on this, so bear with me. I want to make sure that I cut this tape completely. The little pocket knife comes in handy there. And now my cat is eyeing my headphone cable. And let's go ahead and get going with the unboxing here. So you guys can see it's open now. So you guys can sort of see it. Oh, man, they really packed this thing in there good. Okay, so this is what came out at the top of the box. I'll show you. I'll give you a closer look at that here in a minute. So then there's more down there. I sure hope it's USB cables because I was so excited to grab this thing out of Fry's today. Oh, I don't remember if I told you guys how much it was. Okay, so this is the bottom cardboard, but I got it for $89. I mean, think about that for a second. So anybody who's doing any kind of video recording on their PC or any other device that's eating hard drive space, to get a 5 terabytes for $89, that's a good deal. So okay, so anyway, so there's that. Okay, and then this is the box that was in the bottom of the box, and it feels like power supply and cables. So we'll do that one next. So let me just kind of get started getting this open here. One of these days I'm going to get, I am saving up, so like any tips or donations or anything that I receive are going straight to my machine, straight to buying another camera, all that other stuff. Now, I'm not asking for tips or donations. I'm just letting you guys know kind of that's the plan. Okay, so anyway, this is kind of what's in there, because I know like I'm doing this unboxing with the camera that's the face camera, so it's not the best angle. But anyway, so there you go. Okay, so that's a power supply. That's a big old plug, man. Shoot, I don't know if I have room for that on my on my power bar. Watch, I'll need to get another power bar just to plug this thing in. Okay, so just opening up the bag here. I know this part is probably not the funnest part to watch, but you know what? It's all part of the unboxing. So, all right, so there we go. We got this plug here. This is a, I'm kind of an older dad, right? You see the gray hair up here, the gray hair down here. My eyes aren't what they used to be, but it's 100 to 240 volts. Switching adapter, looks pretty standard, 12 volts. 12 volts from the wall, 3 amps out, looks like. So yeah, so good enough. But man, they made that I don't think they needed to make that plug as big as it is on the outside of the plug case. So let me go ahead and take off the twist tie there. It's got a pretty long cable. Not that you guys super care about this part. I'm sure you want me to get to the drive, but you know what? I gotta get my viewers on. So I get my Twitch affiliate status. Bear with me. Okay, so yeah, so that's about 5-foot cable on the power supply. And next is the USB cable. So you'll see here the USB cable has a blue insert into it, which is the common way that you're supposed to designate a USB 3.0 port or cable. And this looks like a USB-B cable. Let's see if I can get, I don't think it'll focus on that, but you guys get the picture. So that's the part that goes into the drive. Okay, put that aside. And now for the, okay, actually, so we've got a Seagate folder here, which is, congratulations, you spent your money on some of our stuff, kind of a thing. And I'm like, great, you know, I'm happy to have spent $90 at Fry's on a 5 terabyte drive. I mean, that's pretty awesome. Okay, and then these are the instructions. Wow, they're like really compact. So that's good. I like that. But anyway, I really like that they didn't put like a 50-page manual in there when it doesn't really require it. You know, most everybody that was born after the 1970s knows how to plug a USB device in, right? So okay, so now this is the drive right here, guys. So let me spin that around for y'all. Okay, so there we go. All right, so we're gonna open up the bag here. Ooh, it's pretty shiny black. Got the nice Seagate logo on it there, right up here. These are the hub ports here and here. Okay, and then on the back you have your power down here, and then the USB 3 to your PC here, or whatever you're going to connect the external drive to. So let's see, I'm even gonna, usually I don't do this, but because we're streaming and it's all about entertainment, I'm gonna take off the plastic protector sheet here. Usually I leave these things on, but there we go. So peeling it off just so you guys can see for sure. This thing is brand spanking new. All right, I didn't even like unbox it earlier and then rebox it and pretend to unbox it for you guys. This was like a full-on live unboxing of my brand new Seagate Backup Plus external 5 terabyte drive. Look at that. I take the plastic off and immediately it's starting to get covered in dust. Oh well, such is life. So anyway, guys, that's it. Such a pretty device, and with 5 terabytes my drives will stop being so abused as I continue to stream and record and then eventually post things up to YouTube. So anyway, everybody, thank you so much. There's the bottom of it. Probably should try and turn it up, correct side up, and there's the top. It's a nice looking unit, it really is. Phrasing, sorry, I know phrasing. Okay guys, that's it. Just a really quick stream to show you my new toy, and where I used the money from Steelcore the other day. He was so kind and tipped $10 to the channel just to help me get the stream going. And so I actually only paid, after the coupon code from Fry's, it made it $89, and with the $10 from Steelcore, it was actually $79 was all it was out of pocket. So I'm really excited, happy to be here. Thank you guys so much for for dropping in, and Idioxes, thank you very much for checking out the stream. Hopefully you can check out the Tap Titan stream. I'm here every day from 10:30 in the morning Central Time, which is 10:30, 8:30 Pacific Time, and 11:30 Eastern Time. Hopefully you can check out the regular stream on the Tap Titans too. And if you're there, please say hi in chat and everything. Awesome, man. So great. All right, so that's it, guys. I'm going to stop the stream, and you guys have a fantastic rest of your Thursday. Okay, bye-bye.